Hi, and welcome to the Khan Academy Kids YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is full of resources for parents, grandparents, carers, and educators, as well as kids. For adults, we'll cover how to set up using our app and how to make the most of it. We will answer some of the big questions we get about our approach to learning. We'll also point you to activities outside our app, including printable resources. We hope you find our tips for how you might structure your day and ideas about activities kids might enjoy helpful. For kids, we'll host a daily circle time where we'll be reading stories and doing other learning activities together. Our goal is to take a practice that fosters connection and is used in preschools and schools and bring it into homes. We are so pleased you have discovered Khan Academy Kids, and we can't wait to get learning.